Hey everyone, today's episode is going to be a little bit of an info dump. Today we're going over mineral properties that are used in mineral identification. The properties we're discussing are color, hardness, luster, crystal habit, and cleavage. I'm going to assume you know what color is. Different minerals produce crystals of different colors. However, color alone can't really be used for identification because many minerals can form crystals of multiple different colors. So color needs to be used in conjunction with other properties for identification. Hardness is measured on the Mohs hardness scale, ranging from 1 to 10. The scale is relative, with each number being assigned a mineral. A mineral's hardness is thus defined by what it can scratch and be scratched by. For instance, at 1 is talc, which is soft enough to be scratched by your fingernail, while 10 is diamond, which can only be scratched by another diamond. Although a quick bit of information here, hardness does not equal strength. A hard mineral isn't necessarily very strong. Luster is best defined as the way a mineral's surface interacts with light, the way light reflects off it. For instance, if a mineral is shiny like metal, it has a metallic luster, or if light passes through it like glass, it has a vitreous luster. There are many different lusters, but the most common are metallic, vitreous, pearly, waxy, silky, and dull. Crystal habit is the visible shape of the crystal the mineral forms. Different minerals form crystals of different shapes, making this trait helpful for identification. There are many different crystal habits, from the columnar crystals of beryl, to the cubic crystals of pyrite, to the botryoidal crystals of hematite. The last property we're going to discuss today is cleavage. Cleavage is the way in which a crystal tends to break. The molecular structure of crystals creates planes of weakness, along which the crystal will break more easily. These weakened planes are referred to as cleavage planes, and the amount and angles of the planes relative to each other can be used for mineral identification. So those are the general physical properties that are used in mineral identification. Next time, we'll start using some of these as we talk about quartz, the second most common mineral in the Earth's crust. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and maybe even consider subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And if you'd like to suggest a topic for a future episode, please leave a comment. Till next time.